also called the Eternal City, is a city that is time-defying. From the days of Julius Caesar to be the capital of Italy, Rome was not built in a day. Trevi Fountain. The largest Baroque fountain is also one of the most famous ones in the world. Built with limestone quarried east of Rome, the fountain was completed in 1762. Today, the fountain is very famous for coin throwing, with an estimated 3,000 euros thrown into the fountain each day. Pantheon. The 2,000-year-old pagan temple is one of the best preserved of all ancient Roman buildings. The largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world has a central hole at the top, which is the only source of natural light inside. Piazza Navona. The Fountain of Four Rivers on the Piazza Navona is a masterpiece by the legendary Italian architect Bernini. Representing the Nile, Danube, Ganges, and Rio de la Plata, this fountain is a tribute to water, one of the five elements of nature. Colosseum. The mighty Colosseum takes the honors as a global ambassador for Rome. This massive amphitheater, which hosted gladiator contests, animal hunts, and other spectacular events in the past, has stood the test of time and natural calamities. Today, it is remarked as one of the seven wonders of the world. Our tip: be sure to not miss out on the delectable Roman pizzas.